Hi everybody, this is a update to the 212 powered mountain bike. It's been a while since I made a video, so I want to update everybody on the progress and show you where I was on things. For those just joining us for the first time, thanks for joining us. And just so you know, this is a 212 Predator powered mountain bike. It's not much of a bike anymore, and you can see I have a suspension built in here, got a tensioner. I've gotten the gas tank mounted, kind of like a backpack situation. I want it to look more like a bicycle and less like a motorcycle, so that's one of the reasons I did it that way. And I'm going to mount some foot pegs here, and they come from a Gullwing motorcycle, so they're pretty cushiony, and I'm going to lop these off and mount the pegs there. That's one of the things I'm going to show you today. And I think it'd be a good idea to have the pegs. It'd be a nice setup, and they fold, so if you're bumping anything, you don't damage the bike frame. I'm going to add more gussets like here and close in the box sections in these areas so that the frame is stronger and you don't get moisture inside. I built a nice little exhaust system, as you can see, kind of a sporty little thing. And I need a kill switch for the handlebars so that I can turn the engine off without reaching down to turn it off. And so I'll either make one or buy a little kill switch. I'm going to have to clearance this area where the sprocket comes close to the swing arm. I want to make sure it doesn't come in contact with it. But the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and get those pegs mounted. So let's take a look at that. Here we are with the motorcycle pegs mounted. They look pretty good. They'll be pretty cushiony, non-slip, rubber. So I think this is going to be great. You can see the tensioner is in place and doing its job. And I've got to do some more things to the frame, like I said earlier. But the best thing is I put some Shimano calipers on here that are cast aluminum. So it replaces the stamped steel cheap calipers that were here that would flex when you're braking. So this will add more braking force. They're not nearly as good as disc brakes, but they'll get the job done. I'm going to put a gusset here, try to make it look nice, something to accentuate the design of the bike. But it's looking pretty good. So the next video is probably going to be me hopefully riding it. And I'm trying to decide on what color to paint the bike. Here's some glamour shot photos of the bike. What do you think? What colors? Leave some suggestions in the comments. I'm thinking red. But if you guys have some ideas, let me know, and I will definitely use them. So like and subscribe to my channel, and get the latest updates on this and some other projects I'm going to be doing. I think I might do something on a beginner's guide to welding and help you guys with making projects like this. Okay? Well, thank you. Subscribe, like, and see you guys pretty soon. Thank you.